Hey guys, greetings. This is HP Officejet 8015. I'm going to show you how to scan your document with this printer to your mobile device via USB cable. Okay, if you check my previous video, I showed you how to scan this with the mobile device. I'm going to show you how to scan your document, but you need to have USB cable. I'll put a link from this video how to get this cable. Okay, so basically the USB cable for this printer goes at the back here. This is where the USB cable goes on top. So connect this cable. Okay, this cable is in. This is the USB cable. It goes over here. This is the power cable. So it's on. Okay, so we turn this printer around. Okay, and make sure your laptop is on. Okay, right now, so to connect this printer to USB cable, you just need to take this and place it over here. Here we go, setting. So setting up device, click select. So you select printer and scan. So we'll look for HP Office from the printer. HP Office. Okay, HP Office. So right now add a printer. Right now this is searching for this printer. Okay, right, HP Officejet is there. Here it is. Add this printer. So it's connecting. Okay, so it's connecting Officejet 8010 series. This is what it's doing right now. So it is installed. Downloading this printer. Okay. Is adding this printer right now. Okay, The other thing to do also, you can come up from here and go to HP Smart App. Okay, go to your Google. So you can go to Google Play Store and download HP Smart App is what I'm looking. Right, okay, so we'll go to look for HP Smart App. Here, look for HP Smart App. Okay, this is HP Smart App. Can do this also a lot quicker on your mobile device or on your PC. So we are waiting for this HP Smart App to load. Right. Okay, so we need to look for this. Okay, we need to look for this printer. Okay, it's not here right now, so we need to click. Okay, so HP Jet 4000 says, so we need to remove this and add another printer. So by clicking this add plus, okay, right now add printer, select add. Okay, so it will look for printer that is available. Right now it's searching for this printer. Okay, so it is where to do this. Here we go. So launch 8000. This is the app. Launch the app. Okay, this is the printer right now. HP is ready. Officejet is set up and ready to go. So this printer right now is Officejet is on. Here it is. So if you, this is the printer. Okay, so connect to Wi-Fi network. Okay, if you want to connect it to Wi-Fi network, you select the printer is connected to printer via USB cable. So right now it's connected via USB cable. Okay, the printer is connected to your computer with USB cable. If you would like automatically connect the printer to Wi-Fi, then you select. So this is how to connect it. Okay, but right now, so we don't want to connect it with Wi-Fi. We say not now. Okay, so it's right now checking this printer status. This printer is connected via USB cable. Here you go, printer is ready. Right now what we want to do is to scan the document. If you want to scan the document, you just need to place the document you want to scan. Like we have this document, okay, and place it over here. Place it over here, okay, and select scan. Right now you can see the function. You can select the document size, color, and everything you want. So you can change it by selecting the function you want from here. Okay, so at the moment we want to leave it as it is. It's a document, okay, A4 paper and color. Scan is scanning from the glass, okay, and resolution is 300 dpi. Compression is medium. So if you're happy with the settings, the next thing to do is select scan. Right now it's scanning here, also scanning on to your PC. So this is how to connect this printer via USB cable. If you want to connect it without USB cable, then you need to connect it to Wi-Fi completely. This is the document we scan. Okay, this is the original one here. Okay, this is the document we scan, and the original one is here. Okay, if you want to scan another one, for instance, if you want to do the the next thing to do again is to add pages. Select add pages. Okay, so once you select add pages, so you click scan, so it will be 2 pages of documents scan. Right, so this is the second one, this is the first and second. Okay, so right now we have finished this document. So one thing I want us to show you also, if you want to print this document, you can save it, you can share it. If you want to share, click share and send it to your inbox. If you want to send it or save, you can click save and save. If you want to print, I want to show you right now, this is PDF document. So to print this document, select print. Okay, we're gonna print these 2 documents right now from here. Meanwhile, you need to make sure that you select the proper printer. So go to your and select HP. Okay, make sure you select HP from the print available, otherwise it will not print. So you make sure you select HP, right, HP Jet 8000 series. Okay, make sure you select it and click print. Here we go. So these 2 documents we scan right now is printing out from here. Okay, so this is how to scan your document via USB cable and print that document. Also, I want to show you how you can send this document to your inbox or to your email address and send it to somebody. This is the first one. Okay, this is the second page, right? So I want to show you how to send this document to your email address. So if you want to send it to your email address, okay, you need to go to share. Once you click share, okay, it gives you the option to send it as email. You can see OneNote and mail. So we want to send it to select mail. Right now it's attached on my inbox. Okay, so I put my email address again. Okay, I want to send this back to my email address and send. So this document sending mail is right now sent to my email address. Okay, it's in my inbox already. It's in. Here is the mail. So if you want to close, so we'll come up from here completely and go to the inbox and look for this document. Yes, here is the document, my inbox. So guys, yeah, this is from HP Smart. Okay, very fast and quick. That's my inbox. Okay, so the sentence is applicable. You can send it to somebody, whoever you want to send it. This document right now we scan is in my inbox. Okay, to open it up, you just need to click it. Okay, and open this completely. Right, yeah, this is the document. So right now you can open it up from Microsoft Word. So close this up. Yeah, that's the document. Okay, so guys, I thought to show you, this is the document we scan. This is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, Thank you very much, guys. If you're happy with what I've just explained to you, please do consider to subscribe. This is how to scan your document. Okay, this is how to scan your document and send it to your inbox and print it. Thank you very much.